Hey all, so I'm back with another video. It's a quick simple yakhni pulao recipe. So this recipe is usually made with basmati rice, but I tried it out with the kaima rice, that's the jeera gashala kaima, and the whole masalas are coriander seeds, star anise, cardamom, few peppercorns, seeds, cinnamon stick, cloves, jeera, Maggi cubes and bay leaves. This is the chicken. Here's the ginger garlic paste, onions, green chilies, ginger and garlic, and also I used ghee and yogurt too. Yogurt was around 4 to 5 tablespoons. Do check out the description box for the exact measurements. Now here I'm adding all the whole masalas to the chicken first, and then I'll be adding the Maggi cube. I just used one. If you want, you can use two too. As we are making the chicken stock, just to give a good essence, I'm adding this. You can just simply skip it. Now also I added few onions, like around a quarter of onion, and 4 pieces of ginger and 4 garlic cloves. Now the measurement for water exact will be in the description box. Here I took around 2.5 cups of rice. For that I'm making stock for around 4 cups of water. So this will reduce to 3.5 cups of water later after making the stock. So now add a little bit of salt and mix them all well, and you have to just boil it for around 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. And at this point you can see the chicken stock is boiling vigorously. Now you have to lower the flame and keep it for around 5 minutes more. Now here we have separated the chicken from the water. So now what you have to do is just avoid the masalas and take just the chicken pieces in a different plate. Now as you can see, these are most of the bone pieces. As you know that pulao chicken doesn't taste very good as the boiled one, so I just use the bone pieces and avoid the breast pieces. So now in a different pan we'll be making the masala. So I added around 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute them well. Now make this masala in the pot in which you are going to dum your pulao. Adding the onions and saute them well in the ghee. When the onions turn golden brown, here I'm adding 4 green chilies slitted, and then mix them well. Nextly, we'll be adding the chicken pieces. Now you have to roast them well. A quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, a quarter to half teaspoon of garam masala. Now mix them well. Now when you feel the chicken is roasted well, you'll be adding around 4 tablespoons, that is a quarter cup of yogurt, and then mix it well. Let the water in the yogurt get reduced. We'll be adding the chicken stock that we prepared earlier. So here I'm adding 3 cups of water and 3/4 cup of water for 2.5 cups of rice. So the ratio for rice is 1:1.5 cups of water. Meanwhile, made some caramelized onions for the pulao. Now if you want, you can add a little bit of salt while frying the onions, just to make the process quick. Onions are done too. Moving on to the preparation of rice. So here's the water boiling well. So at this point we'll add the rice. Now I have kept rice separately soaked in water. Now you have to make sure that you drain out the water completely from the rice and then add it to the stock. The rice well and then add half a lemon juice. Check the salt level and fail to add more. Cover it and cook for around 5 minutes and then check the consistency. Adding some caramelized onions and then cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes. Make sure that the flame is set on medium-low. Now here the water is completely reduced, so now we'll be doing the dum procedure. First here I'm placing an old tawa, or also you can use a plate, and then on top of it I'm placing the biryani pot or the dum pot. So I'm adding a little bit of caramelized onions and then cover it with an aluminium foil or just with the lid and keep it on a very low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Now for the first 2 minutes keep the flame on high so that the tawa gets hot. So it's completely done now. As you can see, the rice is cooked well and it's not at all sticky. So do try out the recipe. It's a very quick and simple one. Now there is a raita that's the best for yakhni pulao. We'll share the recipe some other day. Served it with just a cup of yogurt. So hope you all like the video and the recipe too. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.